July 29th is International Tiger Day. Tigers are amazing apex predators, and with so many cool things to talk about, some help with the bros Phillip and Kyle will make this video very interesting. Phillip, would you like to start us off?
I would be happy to, Kell. Tigers are the biggest cats in the world, and they all live in Asia. There are 6 subspecies of tigers, including the Sumatran tiger, the Malayan tiger, the Indo-Chinese tiger, the South Chinese tiger, the Bengal tiger, and the largest of them all, the Amur or Siberian tiger, which can grow up to 700 pounds. No matter where they live though, tigers play the same role in their ecosystem, as explained by our buddy Kyle.
While the 6 tiger subspecies may live in different parts of Asia, one thing remains true. They all play an important role in shaping their ecosystems. Tigers are called keystone species. Keystone species, like lions, elephants, polar bears, giraffes, whales, and of course tigers, are animals that play an important role in shaping their ecosystems. That means that the Asian forest would not be what it is today if not for the tiger. Tigers are called apex predators. Apex predators, you may have heard of this if you're familiar with a food chain, are the ones that sit comfortably at the top. So tigers, lions, crocodiles are all apex predators. They play an important role in the population control of many different species. Tigers usually eat deer, monkeys, and wild pigs. And when they hunt those animals, they keep the population in control. That way those animals don't overpopulate and consume all the plant life. Tigers, by also preying on the old and injured animals, keep disease from spreading throughout the land. The tiger also keeps control of the other predators like leopards, even dholes or Asian wild dogs.
Poaching is the #1 threat to a tiger's existence. Thanks to the illegal wildlife trade, these big cats are mercilessly hunted by poachers and are targeted for their body parts, including skins, bones, teeth, and even organs.
Another major threat to tigers is habitat loss, urban development, logging, and the development of palm oil plantations. When the habitat disappears, so do the tigers.
Now while me, Kell, and Phillip, while we look at tigers with awe, with respect, and with a certain level of admiration, some people look at tigers with annoyance and even sometimes as a pest. Tigers in India, while the population is rebounding, sometimes their food sources don't always come back as fast, which means the tigers have to resort to eating other things. Other things that include domestic livestock like sheep and cattle. Now obviously, that livestock is what the people need in order to survive, so sometimes the people don't exactly like the tigers for taking away their profit. So tigers and humans have not always gotten along in the past, and the people sometimes kill the tigers in retaliation for them preying on their livestock. Now luckily, there are ways that we can resolve this human-tiger conflict, as explained by my buddies, Kell and Phillip.
Thank you, Kyle. There are, of course, ways to help tigers in the wild. Here's a few. Shop for sustainable palm oil, don't buy items made from animal parts, and even visit your local zoo to help support tiger conservation in the wild. Speaking of which, I believe Kell has something very special to tell us.
Over the course of a decade, humans have made several conservation efforts to dramatically bring the Bengal tiger away from extinction. In 2015, researchers found that Bhutan is home to over 131 royal Bengal tigers, a 27% increase from previous years. Other fascinating areas that are local, such as Nepal and India, have also doubled their Bengal tiger populations over the coming years. In order to protect these impressive gains, local governments and wildlife officials must continue enforcing wildlife policies and ensuring the safety of new sanctuaries. Overall, these efforts demonstrate that initiatives can make a significant impact in saving these magnificent creatures from the brink of extinction. Until next time, friends, on behalf of Phillip, Kyle, and myself, the Lion Brothers, we wish you a happy Tiger Day.